Hey, hey! Today we've got Huntrix visiting us. And also the handsome Saja Boys. Today I'm throwing them a party.
Nope, girls only.
What? Oh no, what are we supposed to do? Looks like the guys are getting a makeover. Who's going first? Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. You, Abby. Everyone, step aside, we're starting. What can I come up with? He doesn't look like a girl at all.
I've got an idea.
Show me already. Oh, first I'll enlarge it. I can't see a thing. Wow, what a cool sketch. Braids. We'll need a different head. How do I attach it? Like this, or maybe like that? Nope. Better grab a new body. Hop. Oops, oh, the arms fell off. I'll put them back. Attaching the doll head. Ugh, not working. I need to warm it up a bit with a hairdryer to soften the plastic. Voila, done. Oh, but the hair's too short. Oh, what's this?
Long curls, just like you wanted.
Perfect, hand them over. I cut them and take them off the rubber band. Split them in two, making two ponytails. All right, that was a joke. A braid will look better. Securing it with an elastic. Can't skip styling gel here. Smoothing the transition. Fixing the bangs. The color still doesn't match. Spray paint? Great idea. Coloring the braids. Now that's better. Nice. We also need a beanie, like this. I'll make it from a yellow rubber band. Cutting off the label. Pop. Putting it on. Oh, something's off. Right, I need to cut it first. Excellent. Yep, securing the edge with a pin. Gotta do it on both sides. It turned out super stylish. The sketch also has earrings. Ooh, so much jewelry. Oh, let's check here. Oh, not these. Here's the right case. Tiny gold hoops. Slightly bending them and putting them in the ears.
Awesome! Now the outfit.
Perfect. Oh, here's our wardrobe. Let's pick something. This skirt looks nice. Let me compare. No, not it. What about this one? Yes, much better. Trying it on the doll. Cute white knee socks. But the stripes should be pink. Cutting tape and sticking it over. Perfect. Now the top. I picked this shirt. The slit should be in front. Removing the Velcro. Trimming it a bit. Time to try it on. Sealing the edges. A collar from the scraps. Silver buttons. Drawing tropical flowers on a piece of foam sheet. Carefully cutting them out with a knife. Decorating the shirt. Great, just a little coloring left. I'll grab my favorite markers. Yellow center, pink petals. So pretty. Gold belt, a chain with a pendant. Yo, here are the new sneakers. Putting them on. Done. Almost finished. Last touch, makeup.
Yay, I'm already wearing mine.
Gorgeous as always. And for Abby, I'll need remover. Dipping a cotton swab. Wiping off the freckles from the nose and the cheeks. Done. And here are my paints. I'll pick brown and orange. I need a thin brush. Painting the eyebrows. Carefully. Oops! Oh, that didn't go as planned. I can fix it with a toothpick tip. There we go. Next, I'll change the eye color, making them light brown. Super! Adding white highlights. Pop! Fluffy brush. Taking a bit of pink eyeshadow and adding blush. Voila! Wow, what a beauty we got! Just like the picture. Abby looks unbelievably stylish. Here's the before and after. We did an amazing job. All right, Abby's ready. Who's next? Your turn. Come with me. So, where do we start?
Not sure. Do we have a sketch?
Looks like we forgot about it. I'll make one real quick. Taking a photo of Jinu. Hang on. Voila, the look is generated.
Wow, that's awesome!
Let's pick the right model. Candidate 1, 2, and 3.
2. Let's take the second.
Sounds like a great choice, but we need to tweak the look. Starting with the hair, cutting the elastics, undoing the braids. Wow, such thick hair on this doll. Gotta brush it well. Perfect, now styling time. Slightly curling it with a flat iron. Gorgeous waves.
Let's spray it so it holds.
Extra strong hold. Nice.
Spray more!
Like this from every side. Yeah, perfect. Putting on earrings.
Nice!
Now let's work on the outfit. Taking off the old dress. Shoes and socks go too. Putting on a white tank top. Where do we get shorts?
Pick something from here!
Whoa, a whole pile of pants. Well, these might work. Cutting the legs shorter. And there we go, shorts. Trying them on. Great, I'll decorate them with pearl buttons.
They're kind of plain.
Let's add some color. I'll choose, give me a sec. Yeah, red. Drawing a heart with a marker.
And let's add a fluffy choker.
Now Genu almost looks like the picture, but we're missing a shirt. Oh, here's some fabric. Folding the edges and stitching by hand. Turning it inside out. Trying it on the doll. It's easier if you remove the arm. Oh, sorry, Genu, I'll put it back. But something's still missing. Hey, Lolly!
Yeah, money, business, unicorn. Huh?
These glasses suit Genu way better, just like in the sketch. Final detail, boots. Oh, surprise! Wow, so stylish! Trying them on our beauty.
So, is it done yet?
Presenting Genu's incredible transformation. This is insanely cool. Let's keep going. Only mystery left. Let's see. Wow, what an interesting sketch. The doll needs replacing. As always, I'll start with the hair. Undoing the ponytails. Gently brushing it out. Straightening with a flat iron. Next, coloring. This shade doesn't fit mystery. To keep the doll clean, I wrap it in a bag. Later, I can just take it off. Using a flat brush to apply paint on the hair. Ah, this takes so long. Spray will be faster. Great, moving on to the haircut. For an even shape, I use tape. Putting it on top and trimming with clippers. 1, 2, done. To get Mystery's signature hairstyle, I flip the strands over the face and cover with a tissue. Securing with a band. Heating with a hairdryer. Done. Taking it off. Applying styling gel. Curling the ends outward with a flat iron. Voila, looks amazing. All right, we can remove the protective bag now. Now onto the outfit. This doesn't match our sketch at all. But no worries, I've got options. Not this, not that. What's here? A shark costume. Oh, looks like it ate the shirt. Pop, perfect. I also have denim shorts. Trying them on. Great, these aren't just shorts, they're layered. Pulling the pant legs over. Oh, they don't fit. What now? Right, scissors to the rescue. Cutting along the side. Trimming the excess. Voila, latest trend. The shorts need chains. My bracelets will work perfectly. Putting on a belt and fixing the chain with a drop of glue. Bending a heart out of wire. That's a pendant. Nice, time for mesh sleeves. I'll make them from tiny elastics. Opening the pack. Putting one on and wrapping it around the arm. Voila, super stylish. Now shoes. What cute slippers. Okay, just kidding. Switching to boots. Oh, I forgot leg warmers. I'll make them from purple fabric. Ready? Ta-da! Perfect! Mystery's look is complete. How cool is that? What are you doing here? Oh, voila! Our girl band is complete! Now we've got 2 versions of Saja, boys and girls. Look at Abby, she's so bright! A perfect transformation! And here's Genu. Looks incredibly stylish. Who rocks the glasses better, huh? Stand still! Abby, don't fall again. Mystery is so mysterious and unique. This is amazing! Tell me in the comments whose look you liked the most. See you next time, Lalix. Bye-bye!